security posture management under Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect. And we are involved in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks. So I'll pass this GitHub link so that you can follow the labs. This lab is still current with the Microsoft training. So very task we are going to do, create a custom role to manage a security posture for exposure management. So here I have connected the login to Microsoft Defender. On this side, see the system, click on system and see that permissions options, select that permissions. And here you can see the different level of permissions, select showing roles. So select, expand this one, let's see. It's actually showing that role, so select that roles. Then click here, you can see the different options is available. So click on, let me select that create custom role. The role name filter, give a role name. Then select next. Under here, choose permission. There are different 3 permissions groups. Select that security posture 1. And here is the different levels. So all read only, read and manage permissions. Select custom permissions. So select that, select custom permissions. And under posture management, select custom permissions. Now here, select that exposure management, manage. Then select apply. Select next. Now it's coming assign user and data sources. So select add assignment to give a assignment name. Then employee search by username, group name, and email address. So search with the name Tony Sherman. Select that one. Data and scope, you see the data sources. So select this drop down menu. You can see that Microsoft Security Exposure Management. Select that one. Then click add. After that, next we are just assignment has been added. Now click next. And finish page and go through review settings and click on submit. When that is done, click on done button. And we can see that secure source manager. When we go to any other activity network, so you can see that role is here. Now we have finished task 1. Now we'll go to task 2, which is explore Defender XDR Unified RBAC workload activations. So in this task, we'll explore the page where workloads are activated. So we're in permission and role page. We can see that custom role that we created. And you can also that a message here, the gray color, that some of the roles are not applicable yet because you have not activated all workloads. So for that here, select activate workloads. Now here is the message active unified role based access control. You cannot activate workloads that has not been licensed or provisioned. So this is kind of message that you can see. We cannot just modify this one into lab environment. So this is something like you can, if you have a proper like a paid version, you may go through this one. And for this exercise, the data source for exposure management is enabled by default, which is why there is no settings to enable the like we cannot see that settings that to enable the role or permission workload. So let me close that one. Now we'll go to share a recommend action. So for that, let me go to exposure management options. And then select security score. So this is security score space. And here you can see that PU Microsoft security score, select that one. And it's giving a score here. Use security score. And here you can see that for all those, there's the option like recommended actions. So select that recommended actions. You can search. Then select that action. And there you can see that different options available. Export. If we select the Microsoft team, only invited users should be automatically admitted to Teams meeting. So there's option is coming like manage in Microsoft Team Admin Center. Let me close that on. Let's go back to that window. Okay, let me do that part now. So from there, after that, select that Microsoft Team. You just click that option. So after getting that option, you can see that there is the share options. So select that share, and then here menu wise select that Microsoft Team. So in the team, select a team. So select that Mark 8 project team. Then the channel field, select research and development, and this message then you coming that post message to teams. So Johnny Sherman that we selected, and he Johnny, yep, and she and her market project team will be notified about the recommended actions in the team channel. So we have completed task 3. Now we'll go with the task 4. So we have completed this task 3. Now we'll go the managed recommendations. So for me, open a page, new page. We are going to sign in that Office Microsoft 365. So log into M365 Office, then go to App Launcher. There you select Teams. So now select your market project team, expand that one, and go to see all channels. Close that one. So like here you can connect with the user who has got admin permissions through the custom role that has been assigned. So now select research and development. And here you can see the link and that message we set up before. So select that link. Then here click edit status and action plan. And here is status and action plan. You can select which status is this one. For this one, we are selecting resolved through third party and give a action plan some kind of note. So currently secured, and then click on save and close. So now we can close this with window. Now we can do the similar options. So for the very last lab, they are selecting some optional and some other users. Let's go with the same users. We can just finish this lab. So let's do this. Go back here, select that market project team and select and see all channels, select research and development and review this message here, then select this link. It's going to Microsoft Security Score. Directly it's going there. And if I can, like, because I can see this one as I have connected as admin, but if someone does not have admin privileges, they cannot see these options available. So that is it for this uh, lab. If you have any question, you can add into comment section. Otherwise, see you into next sections.